Hi guys, so another day, another vlog, and this vlog is about our New Zealand trip. So we flew to New Zealand ng gabi, and that's the first times Alex will ride airplane. Ayun, tapos yan, dumating kami the next day sa New Zealand. And super lamig na yan. So, kinukuha namin yung rent-a-car namin dyan kasi we're gonna drive from Christchurch to Queenstown. So, that would be like a 6 hours drive. Pero hindi namin siya kayang dire-diretsuhin. So, nag-stop kami dyan kasi nga may mga kids kasi mahirap siyang diretsuhin. Tapos, yan yung first stop namin, which is the Lake Tikapu. And then, yan yung famous na Church of Good Shepherd something. And yes, super lamig na dyan kasi nga it's winter time. Tapos yan, amazed na kami nung medyo middle na ng driving namin kasi may mga snow na sa paligid. As in talagang sa daan makikita mo yung mga snow. Nakaka-amaze kasi you don't see that every single day. Talagang parang mga powder. Tapos yan na, that's actually the next day. Nasa hotel na kami nakapag-check-in, nakapag-rest a little bit. Tapos, yan yung view namin from the hotel, from the restaurant. Nakaka-amaze kasi makikita mo yung mga bundok talaga. It feels like, bundok na may snow. It feels like Switzerland. Ganun yung vibes niya. Tapos yan, first agenda namin is to go to Coronet Peak, which is yung I think famous na ski resort sa Queenstown. So by the way, nasa Queenstown na pala kami. So yun, tingnan mo, look at the paligid. It's snow everywhere. Saya. Pero sobrang lamig. As in, super lamig talaga siya. Tapos yan na, nakarating din kami. So, syempre, yung mga bagets ay nag-enjoy talaga. Si Aurora, yan, mas na-appreciate niya na, unlike nung last time na nag-snow kami kasi baby pa siya. Ngayon, nakakapag-play na din siya. Si Alex, syempre, baby pa, karga-karga ko pa. But, hindi siya umiiyak. Tapos, ayan, nung pagkagabi, we've decided to go sa -5 bar. Yan yung famous na bar na made of ice sa Queenstown. Super lamig, parang nasa freezer. So basically, puro yelo sa loob. May mga ice sculpture. Tapos, yung drinks na ibibigay sa'yo, like yung orderin mo, is nasa baso na made of ice. And it's fun. It's a good experience. Nakakatuwa, pero super lamig. Parang you need to stay mga 30 minutes, I guess. Pero sobrang lamig. Tapos yan, juice lang naman yung in-order namin. Hindi naman talaga kami inom. And then, that's the next day. Yan yung Milford Sound. So, we drove from Queenstown to Milford Sound. Yan yung sasakay ka ng cruise. Tapos, idadaan ka dun sa parang magandang mga part ng, I don't know why it is called Milford Sound. Pero maganda siya, in fairness. Medyo, lang yung daan. Medyo nakakahilo. At kasi, pataas siya na, I don't know. Pero, in fairness, worth it naman. Pero, I'm not gonna go back there. Kasi talaga nakakahilo talaga yung daan. Pero, yeah, maganda. And, super lamig. Diba, Alex? I love you, Alex. And then, tapos yan yung last day namin sa Queenstown. So, syempre, your Queenstown trip will not be complete without visiting the famous Fudge Burger. So, we wanted to try kung talagang worth the hype ba siya, o talagang lang. In fairness naman sa burger niya, masarap. Sa sobrang sarap, hindi ko na siya nakunan ng video. And tatamad na ako ng photos. Pero yeah, it's really good. Lalo na yung nila. Meron kasi silang bakery din sa tabi. It's really nice. Yung parang Boston cream donut. And then, pagkatapos is, nag-luge din kami. Yan yung luge na matagal ko nang nakikita. Pati pa sa noon pa sa Singapore. pero dyan ko lang na-experience. And it's nice pala. So nice. Tapos, the next day na to, yan yung last day namin to Christchurch. Oh no. Second to the last day namin sa Christchurch. Tapos you decided na mag-city tour lang and kasama yan sa city tour. Tapos yan na, yung the next day, yung uwian na namin. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.